Hi there, Sandro here with PDR Hawaii. Today I'm here with this beautiful Audi Q7, which has a very large dent on the driver's front door, and I'm gonna do a quick before and after for you. I don't wanna extend the video too long. I just want to show you what the dent looks like now, and then go over the end result with you. So if you look there on the driver's door, it's pretty much the entire door from top to bottom. It's a very large dent. And because it's a white car, it's even a little hard to see despite the huge size of it. Now you can see it's dipped in, very large dent. So yep, so once I'm done, I'll be back with the end result for you. All right, so this is the end result. Yeah, and that's it. Thank you for watching.